What are you doing, girl?
Nothing.
Nothing or something?
Oh, I can't take it. You're too smart for me. Keith is planning a surprise party for you after school. He gotta bring all the kids because he loves you. That's why I love you so much. I'm making the cake.
I don't like when people are, happy. And so when I see smiles, I think I want them to be in fear. And so that's why I make this art, to scare people, because people don't deserve to be happy. The apocalypse is coming.
If the Dimensionator was functional, would you use it?
To find the lombaxes? There was a time I would have said yes, but at this point...
Hey bitches, what's up?
Hey, do you think the press is gonna wanna talk to us?
Oh, girl, no. The press only wants to interview the most ignorant person they can find.
I'm on TV! Oh, shit! First cops, now this? Oh, man, I'm be a star, son!
Hey, where's
Ratchet?
There's something on your face. It was pain.
Please, show me your dick!
That's nasty. You're a pervert.
You started all that! Say what?
Ratchet, please, wake up!
I'm not dying, you idiot!
Darwin is his girlfriend.
So Ratchet does have a girlfriend.
And Angela's a lombax.
And Angela's a lombax. There it is. That's...
All right, Pinhead, your time is up.
Who you calling Pinhead?
Who let the dogs out?
Who?
Who let the dogs out?
Who?
Who let the dogs out?
Who?
Why couldn't you wish for supermodels?
Did someone say super?
Oh, somebody kill me.
Holy shit, that thing's real?
Again! I always thought that you were the sidekick.
Again!
Once a ranger, always a ranger.
One more time!
He's gone. Clink's gone.
Again!
Clank!
Again!
Clank? Clank, is that you? Clank!
Again!
Clank!
Oh, Lord. Again. A fucking again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
Here he is, the biggest douche of the universe. In all the galaxies, there's no bigger douche than you.
Whoa! He's she.
And
And she does a terrible cat impression.
What's your hurry? I thought you wanted to be a hero.
I don't even know who you are.
Weekend's 12, no one knows who he was. He's a secret agent. Secret Agent Zero. He's everybody's hero. At Vision, a man on a mission. He's a secret agent.
Let me in. Let me in.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. But I see what we can hide away.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
I'm a kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm a cat. If you mess with me, you're gonna get scratched. Kitty! Scratched.
Miss Gears may be in league with Dr. Nefarious.
Yeah, who knew? She always seems so sweet and innocent in her videos. Well, except for that one with the...
Other nations like to send animals to the moon. I'll send them to the sun because it's bigger.
Does that mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers? Well, I don't see why not. Oh, yeah!
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
I just have one question. Do you know what a pain in the ass is?
Yeah.
Are you a pain in the ass?
Yeah.
I am inevitable.
Whoa!
That's the best you can do!
No, but thank you for asking.
God fucking damn it! You're the galaxy's biggest joke!
Maybe, but now the last laugh is on you!
Galactic Ranger punk.
That's America's ass.
This is huge.
Avengers!
Disassemble.
Who?
Welcome to the internet, bitch.
What the hell are you watching, Clarence?
It's government business, I swear!
First, let us shut down.